So this is a program to count number of vowels from a file. So here, the initialization of variables count A, count E, count I, count O, and count U. Count A is used to count the number of character A. This is for E. Count I is for I. Count O is for O, and count U is for U. Vowel U. So I initialize all in one single line. So this is by using a file concept. So the program need to read the sentence from a file. Okay, then it calculates, find how many vowels each for each A, E, I, O, U, and then this display on the screen. So for this first initialization, the top one is what is this? The top one. This is our comment program to count number of vowels from a file. So this is not a programming code. The second line, this initialization of variables. Then this my file equal to open. So this is in the code to read a file. So this is a variable. We can name any name. Now we can give any name, but keywords are not possible. Keywords means like if, for, while. These are keywords, reserved words. Other than keywords, we can use any meaningful name. Then equal to open. This all ping marks are keywords. Open, let's look, open, then print. All are keywords. L is orange also. For, in, if. These are all keywords. Elif, or. So the this line is equal to read a file. So we need to open that file first in read mode. That's the meaning. RAR means read mode. There are different mode like R read mode, W write mode, mode A is append mode. Append means to add with existing data. R is for read only, from a file. W is to write, to store. Okay. A means append, to write extra data. So if you use write simply W, that is write, then the all data will erase and what it write the new data. But if you use a append, it will not delete the all data, it will add with this to the existing data. Okay, so we need to read the data in read mode. So what's the file name? Find. So that find file we can see here in this C drive. This is my Python folder. Find this one, find.txt. So if you open, when you open this, you can see some sentences like this. Look, okay. So here we need to open that find file. Then word list equal to my file dot read. So it read each and every character, and it stores in word list. Then here we need to extract each and every character. So list is used for that. List, word list equal to list of word list. Then we need to open a new file because I need to write the results in, I need to display, and also I need to write it on a file, vowel, that is vowel.txt. Here also we can see that vowel.txt file. Yeah, here. So you can see the output A11. A means the character A. E, the I, O7, U5. So it will write also, okay. Then we need, the program need to find what we need to write the instruction to count each and every vowels. So for word in, so here we need to use for loop for word in word list. So from this word list, if word equal to A or capital A, then count I will increment elif, else if, or elif. Here it's elif in Python, not else if. That means here in English word it is else if. But if you write the code, we need to write like ELIF, elif. Word E or capital E, you need to increment the count E. For I, if the word is I or capital I, then count we need to increment the count I variable. Word O, word the word is U. So A, E, I, O, U, all. Okay, then here it prints on the screen. So this is to print, not on the file. This is just statements are to print to the display on the screen. Okay, then this output dot file is used to write on this vowel.txt. So before that, don't forget we need to open a file. First, we need to open a file. Here we open in read mode. Then here, because we need to read. Here we need to open this vowel.txt because we need to write the result. That's why W mode. But we need to open that first. Okay, it's very important. Then after that, we need to write on the file. So output dot write output file, because this is output file, the name variable. Look, so that name we need to use here, variable you need to use here, output file dot write a equal to, this is to display a message a equal to, like that. Then it will display what? The count a dot write. We need to use str because here if you want to write it in a file, we need to use we need to convert it into string variable. That's why str is used. Okay, str count a. Count a means it displays a number of count. How many e's are there? Number of counts of a. Count a, this way, count a. Then count e. So before that, we need to display the message e equal to then number of e. So count e means that variable contains how many number of e. Okay, so we need to use str also. Okay, otherwise it will not print. You can see some error. Output dot file and then number. Oh, what is backslash? And this is used to backslash and means on the next will print on, it will print on the next line. That's the meaning of backslash and new line. Okay, then it will print the count number of I, number of O, and then number of U characters. Okay, and at the end we need to close my file and output file. So my file means this one, which is used to read, that is find file. Then this output dot close. This output file means here this vowel.txt, which we write the result. Okay, so I am going to run this program. Run module. So we can see 11 times, E 31 times, I 29 times, O 7 and U 5. O 7 times and U5. So these are small numbers, yeah. So we can check, is it right? O 7 and U5. So where is the original file? Find. So we can see the output here also. Okay, 11, E31, I29, O 7 and U5. So we can see the output. This file is permanent inside the hard disk. It's stored inside the hard disk, yeah. There's the use of file consumption. But if you run a program and if you see like this, what happened when you close the program, it will also close. This is temporary output. So when we want to store permanent, then we can use this file concept. That's the idea behind file concept. Then file, what's the name of that file? Find file, yeah, find. Okay, this one. Look, find file. Find. Okay, we can check how many O are there. Okay, one, find, find number of O. Match case, no match case. Okay, because it can be capital or small, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finished. 7 O. So in the output, yeah, O 7. Then U 5. Yeah. You can check that U also. U. So you need to go upward. That's why. Okay, U first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finished 5. 5 U. So the result is right. Is 5. Okay, thank you.